Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Over the years, I've made a couple of videos about the variable outline tool, which I think started with Corel 2022. I never gave it much thought and never did much with it. Didn't really see the advantage of it, but I started playing around with it yesterday and look how thin you can make the lines. So if we just I'm just going to take my freehand tool and just draw a kind of a curved line. I've got mine set on 100, so it's really smooth. Now I'm going to get the virtual segment or variable speed, variable outline tool. And if you go right here to the middle, you can grab that arrow and make almost like an artistic media tool. But what I didn't really pay attention to was right up here. You could make one side more than the other, so you could have one side 20 points. I don't really see the advantage of that. Let's put it back. But you could change your points right here without having to move those arrows. That could be, it's your hand movement. But here's the real thing I'm excited about. With that selected, you could grab that and move it out. And now look, that line's actually disappeared because I've got 0 points. Well, let's just add a couple of points to it. And if we zoom in, look how thin that line is. And there's no other tool that I know of that you could do that with. And you could still go back and play with the middle and, make it quite a bit fatter, but you're still going to have that really thin line. And you could do thin lines the whole way. This orange sun looking thing doesn't look all that spectacular till you zoom in and look how thin those lines are way out there that you can't really see it. The other thing I kind of just found out by playing with it, let's just take a freehand tool and make another one, make it a little bit different shape. And I'm still learning this, but click on your item and then go to your variable outline tool and go right here to copy outline, and then click on the one you want to copy it from and look at it. It gave you that same line, that same thinness on a different shape. You could actually do let's draw an arc, have a space in it. And then you want to have that clicked, then go to there, pick, and look at that. It put a really thin tail on that item. It's pretty cool. I think I will use it more and more and more. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.